Good afternoon, children.
Ma'am, we are ready to do the work.
Yes, and I'm also ready to listen to what you have done. So let's start with Arhan. Arhan, you were present in the morning class?
No, ma'am.
Arhan, you were not there. Okay. Then let me come to Arhan. You were there. I have written your name.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have joined late.
You joined late. So I had shared a screen with you. You did not do that work, beta. Have you not done that work?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Those who don't know, Minha, even you were not there in the morning class, right? Or you were there?
I was not.
Right, you were not there. Okay. So let me share the screen with you what we did in the morning. And those who have done, I'm going to discuss what they have done. Fine? So let's begin from here. Let's begin the class from here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Now, children, see those who were not present in the morning class. Good afternoon to all of you. All of you, a very good afternoon. Now, listen to what was done in the morning class. I had shared this screen with children. You are supposed to write down this story in your comprehension copies, and then you have to answer these questions. Write down the story also. Is that fine? Come on, hurry up, start doing. Be ready with your copies and your pencils.
Ma'am, please tell what we are doing.
Who is asking me this question? See, I have zoomed the screen with you. Now you are supposed to write this story in your copies, and then you have to answer these questions. Is it fine?
Ma'am, I have done in morning period. And the question answer.
Yes, those who have done, very good, very nice. We are going to discuss these question answers now. Those who have not done may do it now. Now is it clear?
No.
You want to write only answers? Who wants to write only answers? Who wants to write only answers? Okay, since now no time is left, it is your last class. So you can just read the story and write question and answers both. Don't write the story if you don't want. Just write questions and answers. So let's do the discussion now. I'll do the discussion with those who did it in the morning. Is that fine? Sudha Tiwari, you were there in the morning class?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have done it? Yes. So let's say, Akshadha, what would be a good title for the story? What title have you thought of? Huh? May I please know who is not muted in the class? Who is not muted in the class? It was Parmeet Singh. Parmeet Singh, don't you know the rules of online class? Yes, Akshadha. Mother's Day. Okay, you have thought of the title as Mother's Day. Fine. Naisha Roy, what have you kept the title?
I have kept the title as a Mother's Day present.
Mother's Day present. Very good. Okay. Kunal Patel, what have you thought of?
Ma'am, please scroll up.
See, beta. Kunal is not answering. Okay. Can I have Rishabh to answer?
Ma'am, please show the fourth question.
The fourth question is, what would you like to give your mother for Mother's Day? Rishabh Kumar, what have you thought of? What title have you thought of?
Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Ma'am, please. Have good
Mother's Day?
good day.
Mother's Day, have a good day. Okay, Rishika, what have you thought of?
Jenny's Mother's Day.
Jenny's Mother's Day. Okay, Kunal Patel, what is your answer?
Mother's Day.
Has anyone thought anything apart from Mother's Day? All of you have thought of the heading as Mother's Day?
Ma'am, a card for mother.
Okay, a card for mother. Anything else? Okay, if I was to keep the title of this story, I would have kept. Okay, Shaurya Tyagi, what have you thought of?
Ma'am, I have thought that Jenny and her Mother's Day.
Jenny and her Mother's Day. Okay,
Ma'am, I have done.
you have done. Okay, you tell us what title have you thought of?
Ma'am, I have give the title the Mother's Day.
Okay, the Mother's Day is the title for all of you. Can we keep the title as
Ma'am, can I
surprise gift? A surprise gift.
Best gift for my mother.
Yes, mother's best gift ever. A mother's best gift ever. Anything else?
The title should be the mother. Answers. The mother
No, beta, wait. Everybody will get a turn. Yes, what are you saying?
Ma'am, the mother is the best gift ever given by the God.
Okay, mother is the best gift. That is no doubt. But how does it relate to the story? Does it relate to the story? No doubt, mothers are the best gifts. Present surprise. Surprise gift.
Can I tell the
Akshita,
second?
surprise gift. Okay. What is the second question? What is the problem in the story? Vedanshu Prakash. I want Vedanshu to answer. Vedanshu, can you tell us? Okay, Vedanshu seems missing from the class. Bhavya, can you tell us?
Can I Ashray? Ma'am, can I Ashray this question?
Okay, Ashray, tell.
Ma'am, Jenny was not able to buy the present for her mother because there is not enough coins.
Yes, very good. Anybody else? Arkan.
Ma'am, I Vamika.
Arkan.
Ma'am, I Kunal.
Kunal. Okay, Kunal, tell.
The problem is that Jenny has not more money to buy a present.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell Vamika?
Okay, Vamika, tell.
Ma'am, what is the spelling
The
of
problem
enough?
is that Jenny did not have any gift for her mother.
ENOUGST is
ENOUGH. Enough.
Ma'am, I have 10.
Beta, it's not GST. Where is GST coming from? ENOUGH.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Okay, can I have answer from Arav Gupta? What is Arav Gupta thinking? What is the problem in the story?
Ma'am, the problem in the story is that
Tell me, beta, what is the problem?
The problem is that.
ma'am, can I?
Okay, you tell. Who is asking? Can I? Children, can I remove this screen? Can I stop sharing the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is still writing? Who is still writing?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, how do I remove this pencil icon?
Ma'am, the answer is Jenny don't have gift for her mother.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how do I remove this? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there
the
are so
answer.
many. Ma'am, pen arrow.
Pen arrow. Where is
Ma'am,
this pen arrow?
Please tell second.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have click on pen icon.
Okay, no problem, beta. It's fine. Now don't do it. Okay, don't remove it, but don't do it also. Who will tell what is the problem in the story?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I Akke Goyal?
Yes, children, please take your name because while sharing this screen, I can't see who is talking. So whenever you say something, take your
Ma'am,
name.
can I Akke Goyal?
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
Vamika Singh?
Akhya Goyal, tell us what is the problem in the story.
Jenny don't have gift for her mother.
Okay, Jenny, beta, we don't say Jenny don't have, Jenny doesn't have, or Jenny does not have. Jenny does. Okay, Rishika, what does Rishika have to say?
Jenny forgot to make a gift for her mother, and she could not buy one at the store.
She could not buy one.
At the store at market.
Why? She did not go to the market only, beta. Rishika, did she go to the market? No, she didn't go.
Ma'am, can I Akshara Tiwari?
What was the real problem? Yes, Akshudha.
In this story, Jenny forgot to give a present surprise to her mother.
Okay, Jenny forgot to get her mother a present. But what was the real problem? Do you think this was the problem?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Naisha. Yes, Naisha Roy. Let's see.
Ma'am, the problem is that Jenny forgot to buy her mother a gift and that she only had 27 cents.
Yes, perfect answer. Perfect answer. The problem is that she forgot to buy her mother a gift. And when she ran to her piggy bank, she only had 27 cents, which was not enough to buy a present. Isn't it? She was short of money. The real problem was that she was short of money. Okay. See, this question is not given. Now I am asking a question. What solution did she come up with? What solution?
Ma'am, can I tell Vamika? Ma'am, can I tell Pratyaksh?
Pratyaksh. Okay, Pratyaksh will tell.
She created the most beautiful poem and card for her. Jenny also picked the white flower and put them in a pot.
That's very
Her
nice.
mother said it was the best gift ever.
Yes, that was her mother's reaction. What was her mother's reaction? The reaction was she found that gift the best gift ever. And what was my question? My question was, what solution did Jenny find? Sorry, what solution did Jenny come up to? She came
Ma'am,
up
can I
to,
tell?
yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, can I tell, Vamika?
Okay, Vamika, tell.
The solution was
Yes.
Jenny make homemade gift for her mother.
Very nice. Jenny decided to make a gift herself. What was the solution? She came up with the solution of making the gift herself for her mother. Now, the next question is, what gift does Jenny give to her mother? What gift
Ma'am,
Jenny
can I
give?
tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Harsh. Okay, Harsh.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Harsh, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell Ashray?
Beta, I have taken Harsh's name. No, Harsh was asking. Can I remove the screen now, children?
Ma'am,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
wait. No, ma'am.
Still, you people are writing.
मैम प्लीज ऊपर कर दीजिए.
Okay. Naisha Roy, can you tell us the answer to the third question?
Glue. Her mother a card and poem made by her. Along with that, she gave some white flowers in a pot.
Okay, Rishabh Kumar.
What question? What is the fourth question?
Okay, I'll come down to the fourth question. See. Rishabh, what is the answer to the third one? What is the answer to the third question?
What gift does Jenny give to her mother? Ma'am, Jenny give to her mother. He have a pot and put it on flowers. Ma'am, can I tell Arav Gupta?
Yes, Arav Gupta, you tell.
He put the white flowers in a pot and give it to her mother.
Okay, and apart from these white flowers, what else did Jenny give?
Ma'am, can I tell Pratyak?
Ma'am, the card making from paper, glue, glitter.
Yes, and
Ma'am, please scroll down.
And marker.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
now in 1 minute, I'm removing the screen. I will stop the share in the next minute.
Ma'am, please scroll up 1 minute.
Now let the other person write whatever she was writing. A student told me to scroll down. Now let her finish and then finally I'll go up and end the screen here. She wrote a poem for her mother, isn't it? She made a card,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, she made a card.
Yes, she made a card, created the most beautiful poem and put white flowers in a pot.
A white flower.
Yes.
White flower in the pot. Created a card and write a poem on that. He puts a
Ma'am, can I tell the last question?
Now, this last question, everybody is going to tell. What would you like to give to your mother for Mother's Day?
I will like to give a card and help my mother.
I don't know.
I give a card and some gift
Cake
to my
and help my mother and give one card.
Very nice. Very nice. Class 3B and 3A is showing how mannerful the students are. Very good. Very nice. Lovely. Keep speaking.
Ma'am,
Keep speaking. I'm noting down your names. The students who are speaking like this, I will not make them speak only in the class. Very good. Keep speaking like this. Very nice.
Someone has written 694.
Ma'am,
Anybody
class
else?
is over at
Any-
40. Tell Vamika.
I told each child will get a turn to answer this question. I said so, na? Then also you don't have patience, children.
ma'am, can I tell you something else?
Okay. Now let's begin with Anmol Singh. What does Anmol Singh have to say? Anmol Singh, unmute yourself and then speak.
Yes, ma'am. What is the question?
Children, what was the question? What would you like to give to your mother on Mother's Day?
Every Mother's Day, I am make one card to my mother and give.
Okay, so you will make a card for your mother. Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, can I tell Vamika? Ma'am, with papers and sketch pen.
Very nice, very good. Okay, Vamika, speak.
Ma'am, I will give one cake and help my mother.
Very nice. So your mother is going to be really happy if you help her out. And for the cake, certainly she'll feel very good. Okay, Rishika has been lost. I can't see her on her seat. Where is she?
Ma'am, can I tell you something first?
Who is speaking now? I'm going to remove that person from the class. Let me see.
Ma'am, Rishika.
It's not Rishika. I'm talking to Rishika. If she's speaking, then it's fine. If I'm not talking to you, nobody will speak in between. If you want to say something, only raise your hand. Yes, Rishika. What is your answer to this one?
Ma'am, first of all, there was a person called 694. Now I can't see them anymore.
So why are you worried so much about 694? Let
I
the
don't
694 be where it is. Let's not think about the 694. Whosoever the 694 is, I have not marked his or her name in the attendance record.
I don't know what I will give to my mother.
What would you give to your mother?
I don't know. I haven't written a poem for her in a while, so I think I'll do that or something else.
So can you think of something, beta? Can you just think of something that comes to your mind instantly?
I haven't
Can I tell Kunal?
Kunal, Rishav and Akhya, I'm going to remove 3 of you from the class now.
Are going to shut down soon?
So you have to type all this in the chat box. You're not supposed to speak in between. Rishika, can you think of something that instantly comes to your mind?
I haven't written a poem for my mother in a while, so I think I would do that.
Oh, very nice. So you would write a poem for your mother. That's good. Rishabh, what are you going to do?
Naisha Roy is playing with car.
So what is your problem if she is playing with a car? Is she disturbing you? Now, Rishabh, you don't have to speak anything. You only wanted to speak in between. Okay, Naisha Roy, what will you give to your mother?
Ma'am, I would like to give my mother a beautiful card with a small cake made by me. And I
Oh.
would like to also make her happy and help her that day.
You would also like to make her happy that day.
Yes, ma'am, and also help her a bit, like
Help her. Okay.
make her happy.
Very nice. That's very good. So you know how to bake a cake.
Ma'am, not like make a cake, just like with if I can take some chocolate from there and like take a choco pie or something and make my own cake like
Oh, that's amazing. That's really creative. Okay, Kunal.
Ma'am,
What does Kunal have to say on this?
I give card to my mother in Mother's Day.
On Mother's Day, I would give a card to my mother. Very nice. Wonderful. Okay. Shaurya Tyagi, what will you do? Shaurya Tyagi?
Ma'am, I will give a card to my mother in which card I have given my all information and my mother liked rose and tulip flowers. I will give a bouquet to her of rose and
Very nice. That's very wonderful and sweet of you. Okay, Minha
Ma'am,
Khan. Yes, Shaurya, were you saying something else also?
no ma'am.
Okay. Jaskaran Singh Taneja is raising her hand. Oh, his hand, sorry. Yes, Jaskaran, what do you have to say?
Ma'am, I give my mother one science book because she teaches science.
She?
Ma'am, I give my mother one science book because she teach everyone the science.
Okay, she teaches science. So that is why her favorite subject is science. So that is why you're going to gift her a science book. That's wonderful. Okay, then can I have now Rishabh? Yes.
Ma'am, in Mother's Day, I am card when I say to my mother, Mama, please give me 100 rupees. So I go to shop when I take two choco pies and one small candy, toffees and jams.
So
And make a cake.
So
ma'am,
you
we
bought
have
you bought all these things for yourself, Rishabh, or for your mother? Toffees and candies.
Ma'am, no ma'am, I decorate and make a cake.
Okay, so with all these you made a cake.
Yes, ma'am.
But there is a Mother's Day. Mothers do not give. We have to give them.
No, but certainly children want to do something for their parents, no? So everyone,
Ma'am, but we can also get rupees from our grandmother and grandfather also.
beta, it's not important, it's not necessary na, that everybody lives with grandparents. In nuclear families, you just have parents with you. So where will a child go? He will certainly ask from his parents only.
But there is, I have a large family.
Okay, children, what do you think that your mothers will love the best? Do you think that they're going to love your cakes and your cards? Or do you think that they will love your good nature, your helpful and cooperative nature? And they will love you, your mothers will love you as good human beings. What will be the best gift for your parents? Tell me.
And I think I should also take her for a walk in the morning.
You should also take her.
Take my mother for a walk.
You can take her for a walk.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Very nice. Very good. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, whenever the festival was coming, like my mother's birthday, Holi, Diwali, I make a card for my mother.
Very
And
nice.
paste
Very good. That's very, very good. So what
Ma'am,
according
whenever-
to, okay, now today after this class, everyone will ask your mother that what is she going to like the best on Mother's Day? Will it be any kind of a gift or it will be you as a good child?
Ma'am, I like a good child.
You like a good child, but
Yes, ma'am.
but you yourself are a child right now. So if you will become a mother, you would want your child to be a good child.
No, ma'am. I
You-
know that my mother.
Yes, your mother will like you to be a good child. Yes, every mother expects so. So the best gift on Parents' Day, on Mother's Day, or on Father's Day for our parents can be what? Like we be the best for them. We should
Ma'am,
be
can
like
I
how
tell
they
that
want
what
us
I
to
will-
be. What are you saying, Akshudha? Are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can give my gift on Mother's Day that I will study very well, and in my class I will top and help my mother in his work.
My mother
Yes,
is also
we can be good children by studying really well, by working hard, by helping them and being very respectful. Isn't it? Everybody's parents want their children to be very respect giving.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when I am
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya. What does Bhavya want to say? Let us listen to Bhavya.
my mother is teacher when I am small, and I want to give the helpful nature.
Yes. Those whose mothers are working, they expect their children to be very helpful and cooperative with them. And anybody else wants to say anything else?
No, ma'am.
Over at 10 minutes.
Yes, no, the class will get over in 5 minutes. Now we are left with only 5 minutes.
Ma'am, can I tell that what I will give my mother?
Yes, beta, Arav, tell.
Yes, ma'am. I will make a card from myself. I will buy one bouquet and one chocolate for my mother, and I will bring a cake also.
Very nice.
I'm
Very good.
hungry.
You are hungry, so you're leaving the class.
No.
Ma'am, can I tell what I will do for my mother?
Yes, beta, definitely. You can tell.
Ma'am, I made the card one, and I gave her chocolate and one book, and we will also do one party of Mother Day cake.
Very nice.
Can I tell what I will give?
Yes, beta, tell.
I will make a beautiful card, and I will help my mother.
Very nice. That would
Ma'am,
be
can I
very
tell?
that would be very wonderful for your mother if you are going to help your mother. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, I will make one big card. Sometime I will purchase one very big cake and help my mother in all the work.
Good, good. Wonderful. Okay, so here we come to the end of our story, which was named as the Mother's Day. Most of you kept the title as the Mother's Day. Now, yes,
Ma'am, Rishika is showing something to you.
what are you?
Inside
Oh.
it, there is chocolate.
Rishika is busy having chocolates, huh?
Yes.
You like chocolates, Rishika? How many of you like chocolates?
Ma'am, I like.
Okay, most of you like. Is there anybody in the class who doesn't like chocolates? No, there is no one. That means Yuvraj, you don't like chocolates?
Ma'am, I
Arhan,
Ma'am, I don't like chocolate.
Sometimes only.
why don't you children like chocolates? Huh?
Ma'am, I like chocolate, but I don't want.
I don't like.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, chocolate is a very bad thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone knows it's not good for our teeth, but still we love to eat chocolates, isn't it? It is not very good for our health.
I eat chocolate, but not chocolate. Very.
Okay,
So
you
I
don't like them much.
Your toffee.
Rabbit.
So children, the next minute the class is going to get over. Now with today's class, we learn one very important thing, and that thing is that we should be very helpful and cooperative in nature for our mothers as well as our fathers. Okay, it is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
about the gifts that they would
Ma'am,
want
what
on their
is
special
a
days,
chocolate?
but they would want their children to be
Ma'am,
good with them.
Ma'am,
Yes?
what is corporate?
And the class is over.
Ma'am, what is
What is?
Ma'am, class is over.
Yes, beta. It's time to say bye to all of you now. Goodbye. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.